tuple is a data collection data type, just like a list. The significant difference is we cannot modify tuples during runtime. It's immutable and we use round brackets to declare a tuple. Like list, Python offers few functions that we can apply on tuple. Hello everyone, welcome to Python session, and in this session we will study important functions around the tuple. Sum, max, min are general functions in Python which are available for tuple. Other functions like count and index are part of the tuple object. Let's see all of them one by one. The first is the sum function. Well, the sum function gives an addition of all the elements of tuple. Just declare a tuple with value 1, 3, 11 and 3.9. Then write print, and inside print call the function sum and then pass the tuple t. Run the code. Well, we got the output as 18.9. Sum gives the addition of all the values in the tuple, but make sure that all the values are numeric. Otherwise, it will give an error like this. Just like sum, we have max and min function. As the name suggests, the max function gives the max value of the tuple and min function gives the minimum value of tuple. Let's try them. Write a print statement and then call the function max with value as t. Again, write a print statement to call the min function like this. Run the code. You got the max value as 11 and the minimum value is 1. Remember one thing, the sum function gives an error if the tuple contains any non-numeric value, but that's not the case with min and max function. Consider our previous tuple, days with values Sunday, Monday and so on. And then print the output of max function, and in the next line print the output of min function. Run the code. Here you got the output Wednesday and then Friday. When we have a string value in tuple, the output is based on the ASCII value of character. If you look at this chart, the ASCII value of A is 65, B is 66 and so on. So for the max function, we got the output Wednesday because W has the highest ASCII values. And in Friday, F has the lowest ASCII value. Well, there are two more functions in tuple which can be accessed using tuple variable, that is count and index. I assume you remember them from our list session. Just declare a tuple with values as marks of students. Suppose we want to know how many students score 100 marks. Then we will write number of students equal to marks dot count and in bracket pass the value 100. In the next line, print the message with variable number of student. Run the code. Well, we got the correct output. We can even call the count function directly inside the print statement like this. Run the code. Well, we got the correct output. Now let's look at the index function. Index function gives the index of an element in the tuple. Let's declare a tuple books with different values like this. In the next line, write the print statement, and inside print we will call the index function and pass the value Java for Dummies. Run the code. Well, we got the right index. Well, this was all about different functions on tuple. We studied sum, max and min function which accept the tuple variable as a parameter and gives the output. Then we have count and index function which are called on tuple variable. I hope you understood them. In the next session, we will see few more features of tuple. Thanks for watching.